Hi kids! Today we are going to learn multiplication with fun stories. Are you ready? Let's solve fun problem. Rani bought 5 pencil boxes from the store. Each pencil box has 12 pencils inside. How many pencils does Rani have in total? Rani bought how many pencil boxes? That's right, 5 pencil boxes. How many pencils are in each box? Yes. 12 pencils in each box. What do we need to find? We need to find the total number of pencils Rani has. Which operation should we use? We have 5 equal groups, and each group has 12 pencils. When we have equal groups like this, we use multiplication. 5 pencil boxes times 12 pencils in each box equals? Let's see. We write 12 on top and 5 at the bottom. Start from the right side, 5 multiply 2 is equal to 10, write down 0, carry the 1. Now, 5 multiply 1 is equal to 5, plus the carried 1 is equal to 6, write down 6. Our answer is 60. Rani has 60 pencils in total. Great job kids! Now let's dive into next. Rani bought 12 ice creams to distribute to her friends. Each ice cream costs 25 rupees. How much money did Rani spend in total? What information do we have? We know Rani bought 12 ice creams. We know each ice cream costs 25 rupees. We need to find the total cost. We have 12 groups of ice creams. Each group costs 25 rupees. When we have equal groups, we multiply. Arrange the numbers first. 12 ice creams times 25 rupees for each ice cream. Start from the right side. Multiply 2 by 5. 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Write down 0 in the ones place. Carry the 1 to the tens place. Next 2 multiply 2 is equal to 4, add 1, carried. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Now multiply by 1, which is really 10. 1 times 5 is equal to 5, write in tens place. 1 times 2 is equal to 2, write in hundreds place. Add both results. 50 plus 250 is equal to 300. So, 12 times 25 is equal to 300 rupees. Great job kids! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun math lessons. See you next time.